Hello world, hello YouTube, hello everybody. This video is for Glassy Eye. I guess Katana enthralls him and her talents. So here we go. Say hello. This is the one that she's got some talents. Anybody needs a mechanic and apprentice mechanic, she's got it going on. She knows what to do. So we're putting this motor in finally. We had a few problems and I really kind of messed up on a couple of things, but we got it straightened out with the help of my daughter Katana. She's the mechanic now, not me. I wish not to do it anymore. Speak, so people can hear your voice.
I don't know what to say. I just didn't expect this.
Right. Do you like doing this?
Yeah, it's really fun, actually. I love it. It's very educational.
Fun, huh?
Yeah.
Really? I'm not convinced.
I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry.
All right, so on we go. We're going to go ahead and drop this bad boy in right now because we're ready. All right. Say hello and goodbye to Glassy Eye.
Hello and goodbye. I hope you enjoyed your video.
All right, bye.
Man, what if we don't get it? It's really bad.
Oh, we just want to set it down to where we can put the hood on it and get it out of the rain. Or we'll shoot this bad boy.
Hold on. Alright, try again. Alright, it's like right there.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wiggle, wiggle.
It'd be so much better if I was taller. Yeah, they went like almost right in. God, nose, man. Yeah, it's like right in there.
Yeah, hang on. Yeah, we're sitting on a wire.
Alright. I'll go on that side.
Alright. No, that's alright, I got it. Stay on that side.
I don't want
I just need one jack up. Because you're just sitting on those motor mounts.
Is it this way? You got it?
There we go. Watch that input shaft on the
Yeah, I am.
tranny. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh shucks, we're way bad.
Yeah. It was good when it was up. I gotta, yeah.
Roll that more. Watch your motor mounts. That's where your guide is.
Got it, yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Push back.
Back? Towards you?
Huh?
Towards you?
No, back towards the...
Yeah, I'm trying. I just wish I was taller.
No, that's fine. Ready?
Yeah. Like, why is it so far forward?
Yeah. It's got to go into that little hole in the clutch.
Alright.
So what we kind of got to do is lift up here and shoehorn it in.
Yeah, I remember that.
Right. Okay, lift up the front.
It's getting kind of hot now.
Mommy!
What?
I'm eating candies.
Here, take this in the house, Mimi. Thank you.
dear.
Well, put it on. Toilet roll, Mommy.
Okay, lift up on the front
The front?
while I let down.
Do you know that this thing weighs more than...
More than you can write.
Yeah. Alright. I need to be in the front. This is not
Okay, let's We've got enough of you doing your thing.
Dude, I got too short. Sorry.
All right. There you go. Some more footage. Yes, anyone needs a mechanic, apprentice mechanic, the talents, the drive, and loves what she does. Right, Katie? They can't see you for the beam. Right?
Yes.
All right. Bye.